Are you thinking of building an extension? Do you know what planning permission is? Do you know if you need planning permission? Well, stick around because I'll explain it for you. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ben. I've got nearly 2 decades of experience building houses. I now work as a building inspector and I'm passionate about helping you understand construction and getting stuck into DIY. What is it? Planning permission is the approval you need from your local authority before you start a building or renovation project. It's a way for a local authority to ensure you're in line with local planning regulations. The planning department will look at your drawings. However, these aren't as detailed as building regulation drawings. The planning department are essentially only concerned with the look of the property. A planning committee will sit down and consider your application, with the panel being made up of councillors. Now, these aren't necessarily people with experience in construction, but they are guided by a planning officer. If you get your planning permission turned down, you can appeal. But you shouldn't start work before you have planning permission, else you may be forced to take it down or return the structure to its original state at your own expense. Retrospective planning permission is available for those who didn't get it before they started, but having started or being finished isn't a guarantee your application will be accepted. When do you need it? Planning permission is needed when you change the look of the property, whether that's through adding an extension, changing the windows, or rendering the property. A single-storey side extension, a single-storey rear extension, or a loft conversion may fall under what is known as permitted development, depending on its size. However, up to a certain square meterage, it is possible to conduct these works without permission. However, the requirements can change and can differ depending on the local authority. It's best to check what the requirements are for permitted development in your area with your local planning department. Some areas may not have permitted development rights due to their location in conservation areas or areas of natural beauty, essentially places where posh people live. If your scope of works goes beyond permitted development rights, for instance if you're doing a 2-storey extension, then you'll need planning permission. Now you know what planning permission is, check out this video next about building control and when you need it. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing, and if you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them.